So bila dia move now, as this breakdown car.
Yeah, the breakdown car is going to be in the boot.
Like first she can come, I really know. Then suddenly everybody starts shooting and she's getting scared, so she's hiding. Yeah, Vindra is going to and something along those lines and go.
Dia akan buka boot, and then buka boot, hose comes out.
Because this one atas kan, so you letak bawah, letak here. GK. Okay, 4 akan bergerak ke sebelah. Bergerak.
Depan lah. Maknanya couple tu dia step back ni.
Babe. Babe. 1 minit. Tak sampai 1 minit. Dia punya karakter kena macam pada ayam. Babe boleh.
Because the taxi rider car is behind is in front.
Aiman, sorry, Aiman.
So from here, Reza.
Yeah, we walk back.
Show sikit main live. Oh, bos nak.